Okay, my people, I am here again. This is the Akukabia man. Remember, this is Akukabia Reloaded. This is where we talk the untalkable. This is where we say the unsayable. This is where we cola the uncoolable. This is where we kala the uncayable. Let me wear my inspiration cap first. This is the Akukabia cap. The cap that gives me inspiration, that shows me where to go, that reveals to me. This is the cap that tells me where Ndaboski is and I take cover. This is the cap that informs me that Ndaboski is 10 meters away and I'll just dive under to avoid the avoidable. Okay, see our man now, see our man.
I have so many power. Le Badu se play lamante. I have Abido Sheka. I have never touched those ones. I have Dabus Kabash. I have Ganduka Gandusa. Mbeg Eolonius.
You don't see our man now. Have you seen the different levels of power that he has not released yet? He has not released those power yet. So he has just informed me today, before coming to the studio, that he wants to release some of this power in Abia. And he said that I should tell you, our people, all the commissioners in Abia State, all the SA to governor, all the permanent secretaries, just name them, all of them, all three big men, that anybody that wants him to visit the person this December, from the 24th, he say is visitation to Abia, that I should compile their name and say, please, I beg you in the name of God, submit your name as quick as possible to avoid hustle and bragging. I beg you, please. If I need to kneel down for a living, should I kneel down? Submit your name as fast as possible and as early, because as I'm saying it, all the Kageway, more than 50 people join this visitation in Abia. And considering that I'm with like up to like above 15 commissioners, Abia teacher and also number Bagutala, you know, so that Edumeje can come one-on-one visit. I know that my man, our Daddy Gogo is watching. He's watching. As far as you did not spray money in that visit, as far as you did not spray money in that visit, you are good. I am with you. Anything that happened to you, forget it. I am here. I am here. And remember that I even have employment in this place. Please, I am begging you for the last time, considering the remaining power that Ndaboski has not released. You see that Ganduje Gambusi, Nkahos in the big onions, that one, he wants to release it here. Oh, not to be here. Please, hurry up and drop your name so I can drop for him. Remember that the list actually here is list of commissioners, list of top essays to Governor Kizzy Bazo, list of permanent secretaries. On the actual here for this visit, I actually want people like Uchagu. We don't want people like Uchagu. We don't want people like Don Norman Obi. We don't want those kind of people. You see this people, we don't want their name there. The actual people like probably, all the commissioners. As far as Nifege go in that visit, it's okay. Meanwhile, people have been dodging. They don't know we know them. Also, Nifele go in an event before. Ifele go during birthday celebration. Ifele go during traditional marriage. Ifele go during wedding. My brother, don't be afraid. I have your list. And then we have compiled it, I've sprabined it, and I've already DHL it to the Governor Kizzy Bazo, so that he'll begin to treat the cases of Ife one after the other. No. We have to treat this case with meticulosity. This is my own English. Oh, English. Na government governor Kezi Pazo. Ndena ewofuta kana moto fego. Ndena ga wedding fego. Ndena ga traditional marriage fego. Ndena ga birthday fego. Mandena nyego na envelope. I have the names. I have all the names. In fact, the list now is ruler 70. And then, of course, I send the letter. From next week, I got a result. Without much ado, I go school. I don't mind to be. I go school. Without much ado, you see this man here, Senator T.A. Oji, former governor of Abia State. Make I tell you my mind though. My own mind. I don't know what's in there for your mind. I don't care what you say you don't do you or no do you. But for the man to say from 2023, saying they resign from politics, and they allow young people to join, to take over. My brother, ex-governor, Ochendo Global, Inwaka. My brother Inwaka. We have people who are still older than Ochendo who are in government, who want to die there. If not for anything, this one that Ochendo say, and he say he will do, I am okay with that. I am happy. I am happy with that. That is a good one. This particular one, Otebaba, you have my thumbs up. The man say he won't go rest. And they hear people they talk say, after everything he won't go rest. Yes, make him go rest. He don't try him best. Make I call them Fabia here. He get people who don't do politics before even Ochendo Global join politics. Before even I say be civil servant. People don't do politics, but they still there up to now. They still they find position up to now. And the man don't say one go rest and they talk. No, man, guys, sit down. Guys, wicked there. The man about this is one thing that the man could obi the mama, and I'm saying, Ochebaba, Ochebaba, fire on. Fire on. Now let's move to another story. You see, this is my show today. No be with sometimes we took attack. No could not do attacking. No be so. Today when I want to say thank you. You see that in Borough Road. When Governor Kezi Bazo see the picture. You see this in Borough Road. The man don't try. The man don't try for that in Borough Road. That Borough Road, they don't use them. They don't use them. Bash deputy governor. Bash deputy governor. Bash deputy governor. Talk against the man. Borough people don't attack the man. Talk this one. But they don't do them now. You see that road. And if you see how that deputy governor, Udoko, take talk about this road, you go know say that particular road touch in liver. Not being heart, in liver. When something leave your heart, touch your liver, in mina. In say, Governor Kezi Bazo, don't wipe out shame for him face. Oh boy, now correct talk with that. Crew to master, you hold that road down. Take this number. For this show, in email, I see the email. In email, I appear to get one very small. Got to go small. Okay, I want to ask one very important question, I beg. I want to ask one very important question. This goes on in my mind every time. I beg, I want to ask. Bring your ear, I beg. Now, Honorable Ginger Omusibe. Now, only him, the House of Assembly. See my teeth. And they ask, because I don't know. We are not only that guy there for House of Assembly. This is why, by our next editions, with the Torchlight House of Assembly, they see, he get the one where they say in there for Isialangwa South. Some boys don't they say, if not that kind of house member, say they don't want again, no. But for Ginger on, every time, in the day for news. Just few days ago, I mean a day ago thereabout, in Open New Stadium, empowerment every time, empowerment here, empowerment there. Wait to the acts. Now only that guy there for Abia State House of Assembly. Waiting other people they do for that empowerment area. Waiting they do. Abi, in they get special money. I don't understand though. Ginger, take this hand, Idia. For this one, oh, yeah, this one, so Idia, dear. My brother, when this guy been be local government chairman, now so him pick award for our award 2 times. Him pick award 2 times as best local government chairman of the year. Why? Because in they do things. You go see projects. You go see. My brother, I don't know what they do for the. If this guy they do this thing and they give us story, oh boy, find your level. Find your level. Find your level. What are you doing? I don't understand you. This guy get action. If this guy say in the even won't be president of Nigeria, I go say I support him. Because why? In get action. In don't show you what you fit do. In don't show you action. In don't show you leadership skill. In don't show you fit deliver. What are we talking about, my brother? Change your style. For my next edition, we're going to look at local House of Assembly. All those people when they go sleep for House of Assembly, are you here? I go call your name for here. I go tell you, say you they sleep for that place. I go tell people say they change you. Okay, Ginger, you get my hand. You get nah. You know say election don't come. And they see PDP, they do campaign everywhere. I never see other parties. Oh, now the truth be that. Oh, Moku talk the truth, Moku shame the devil. And they see PDP, they do campaign. I know they see APC. I know they see ABGA. What thing they happen? Well, if say they don't zero mind, say na PDP election, we know now. Well, let's wait for the election to finish. We'll go know what will happen. My name remains Emenike Iregbu, the Akuka Biaman. Remember that this show is open for sponsorship. If you want to sponsor this show, you want to put your advert in this show, you want to put your announcement on this show, you can always call this number that is rolling under here. Look at the number rolling under here. They roll. And then you can follow us on all our social media handles so you can be enjoying all my contents and all other contents that we have. Remember this Akuka Biaman, Emenike Iregbu. This is on the platform of AF News. Thank you.